Hi guys. Let's go for something bit more complex and we practice more on this basic of Java and programming. So I assume that you also have to read a lot because this is more like getting you ready, give you a momentum of programming. So you should be at least reading some books and stuff like that because some things maybe may look quite uh, maybe tricky to you, or maybe you also quite familiar with them, but maybe you have never practiced. So I'm not going to explain a lot of this what it means, but um, these are something that you have to learn. You have to spend more time of learning, because if we spend much time of explaining about what are these and what are they doing, but these are just operators you have to learn from books and or from other tutorials. For my idea here is just to show you how to you can get momentum of programming. If you feel like programming, just sit down and just follow this series and just program one exercise after another. So now today I'm going to look at the number that divisible by 5 and 6. So I need to write a program that will tell me if you type like 45, then you give you maybe it's divisible by 5 but not 6, or if you type the number that is divisible by 5 and 6, then it should show you, then tell you that it's divisible by 5 and 6. So before we do anything, we need the main method. And then we need a scanner. Control Shift O, and then semicolon, and then just variable. But now I'm just using direct variables. So I just type the variable name, the data type, and the name, and use it the same time. So int number. Before that, let's see what do you want to enter. Maybe user should enter a number. So we say enter an integer. An integer, right? And the way we get that number, we have to use this number input dot next this have to be input. So input dot next. So that's how we get this number from the user. So you have to type the number, enter the number, and we have talked about this so many times, so now you should be familiar with it. So now we are going to check the number. If the number, this is where the logic is. So if the number module, so this is what I'm talking about, that if you don't understand what's this like module of, it's just the remainder of the number. You divide by something, the remainder, that's what we want, we are looking for. So I'm asking if is the remainder of number divided by 5, if it's 0. If you divide a number, for example, if you divide by 2, you get 0. So if any number divided by this, the remainder is 0. And any number divided by or module of 6, because this actually is not a divide, but this is a module. Whatever remains, we divide this by this, what remains, that's what we are looking for. So that's the difference between divide and module. So number module of 6, and then we get it equal to 0. We are saying that sysout use string builder class. And I'm going to use string. Let's see, view it should be string dot value of boolean and value of number dot append. Okay, I need to new string builder. Dot append divisible by both 5 and 6, and then to string. Okay, else if a number modulo 5 is equal to 0, and then we use this you need to do a search about this sign here. I don't know how you call it, so okay, and number zero, and then actually this has to be in one brackets. Let's see what we're doing here. Yeah, so we are saying sys out string builder, new string builder, and then sin dot value of boolean and number dot append is divisible by both 5 and 6, but not both. Then dot to string. Then else we are saying sys out again. This is a string builder, so it's a class of string builder. And here we want to pass a string dot value of boolean number dot append is not divisible by either 5 or 6. Then to string. So we save and control shift format, then you get your good format, and try to run this program. Save and run. Enter the okay, let's enter 45. So 45 is divisible by 5, is divisible by both 5 and 6 but not both, so there's something wrong here. Typo. Okay, and let's see another number. 36 is divisible by both 5 and 6 but not both. Okay, let's see. 5 5 see again 100. Okay, there's something is wrong, maybe something is wrong is going on. So anyway, this is the idea, man. You have to write this program and to figure out what's wrong with this program, but here I've showed you all the way. Let's see. If there is something missing, you should try to figure out and find out. Thank you guys for your time, and remember subscribe.